Hello, my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are staying happy, staying fit, eating healthy food, right? So, let us know about today's topic. Is what? Chapter 19, Occupation. It is important, right? So, what does it mean? Occupation. Occupation means a job, right? A professional, right? So somebody have profession, right? Your parent, they might work in, right? So somebody is banker, somebody is teacher, somebody is painter, woodcutter, carpenter, right? There's many occupation. Why it's important? If there is no job, how we can earn, right? So whatever the things, whether it's a farmer, whether it's a banker, he work in bank, right? So what they will get after their hardship, they'll get a money, right? From that only we get all the things which we need to live, right? So these are the things we need. So how we'll get? If we do something, right, to lead our life, right, is what? Occupation, vritti, right? So somebody might ask you, right, so what your father does, right, what your uncle does, right? So if he is working somewhere, is what his occupation, right? So here let us know more about this chapter. Okay kids, so here, so we in our daily life, right, so we use many things, right? So it's a from fan, house, right, cloth, table, right, the food what we are eating, right? So you just think from where we are getting, how we are getting, right? So the house is made by the mason, right, who built this house. Before that he has to plan, right, how the house should be, right? The architecture who plan, right? So the mason who build house, the electrician who fix all the lights, fan, right, and the carpenter who made all the wooden work, cupboards, table, right, and electrician who fits fan, television, right? So whatever the electric machines, right? So then who? Plumber who start who will make all the taps, water pipes, right? So everybody has their what we call, it's a professional, right? So we say these are what? Professions, right? So we call it what? Profession. So here it is Somu's house. There are many articles. Articles means things which are used in this house every day. What are they made of? Who makes them? Know from the elders and give the answer. So the fan, table fan, right? The electrician, right? Then bed, and there is a small table, right, and the shoe racker and the vegetable cutter. So this is made by wood, right? So the carpenter who can make these, right? So the vase and the cloth stand, right? So here everybody, and the flowers, who? Florist, right, who see the flowers, who made the flowers, right? So here florist. So everybody has their own profession, right? They should choose, right? If they have many flower, they can tie it, right? So they become florist. If they have many, they can work as a driver. Many other occupations are there, right? So here Ramanahalli is a small village. So Ramanahalli is a small village. The different kinds of occupation of people of that village are shown in the picture. So you can see the pictures, many pictures, right? So it's about what? In a Ramanahalli, they have adopt occupations, right? So like what? Which occupation do these people follow? Write in the given spaces. So if you open page number 170, you can see there's a many pictures, okay? And after that they had given the numbers 1 to 10, okay? So we can mention. So what occupation they are doing, okay? See the first picture, right? So the picture who's making what? Baskets, right? So how they are making? With the bamboo sticks, okay? So they will take the bamboos and they cut in a very small, like a small stick. Then they will sharp it, then they will make basket. So the first one is what? Bamboo basket maker, right? So see the next picture. What the lady is doing? She is selling flowers, right? So for her we call florist. Florist who sell the flowers. See the third one. From where we get the grains? From market, right? Before that, the farmer who crop and everything, right? So the farmer, right? So see the next picture is what? Farmer. See the next picture. Who's making? With the iron. So what he is doing? He is making things with the iron. So we call him blacksmith. What? Blacksmith. See the next picture. What is that? So he is, can you you know from where we get silk? So from the silkworm, okay? There's a worms, so it will give a what? Silk thread. Okay, it's also what? Occupation where they will take out the thread from the silk worms. Okay, so here next picture, fifth picture is what? Silk making. Now see the next one. The picture with she is making what? Saris, right? So here how she is with a handmade, right? So they will make handmade clothes, maggu, right? From the we are getting clothes from the factories. So they are handmade. They will make handmade saris, right? So the maggu, right? So they will say in maggu, right? So for them we call weaver. Sari neyodu, right? So you may have heard this. After weaver, they will if you get stitch any lehengas, t-shirt, pants, blouses, right? From where you will get stitch? From the tailor, right? So tailor is a person who stitch our clothes. Then see the next picture. Who's that? Who is selling vegetable. So for them, for that person we say vegetable vendor. What? vegetable vendor. Now see the next person, what he is making? He is making pots. Kumbara, right? You have heard the name Kumbara, right? So he is making what? Pots. So we call him potter. Next, see what the two guys are doing there. They are catching fishes, right? So what we say? Fisherman, right? So fisherman, right? So first, bamboo basket maker, florist, farmer, blacksmith, silk making, weaver, tailor, vegetable vendor, potter, and the fisherman. Okay, so these are the 10 profession. What we say? These are the occupation, right? For these are the jobs for them, right? So because they are earning from this, right? So it's what? Their occupation. Bamboo basket maker, florist, right? Farmer, blacksmith, silk maker, weaver, right? So here the next one is what? Tailor, who stitch our clothes. Vegetable vendor, right? If he is selling fruits, so we say fruits vendor, right? So here the next one is what? Potter, who's make pot. Last, who catch the fish and selling in the market is who? Fisherman. From the net they will catch the fishes and they will sell it in the market, and they are earning. So these are the profession where they are earning, right? So from a basket, so he will sell in to the market and he will get the money. Even florist also, right? Even farmer. So blacksmith, silk maker, weaver, tailor, right? So whatever we get stitch, right? We are giving money to the tailor, right? For if we are buying any vegetable, right, or the pot, right? So we'll give money instead of those articles, right? So here the picture of person doing different occupation are given here. Who are they? What is their occupation? Write them in the space given, right? So everybody has different occupation, right? If your father is doing something, means your friend father is doing some other job, right? So all are different. So here they had given the pictures here, right? So is what? See the first picture. Who is teaching here? Teacher, right? So what I am doing? It's what? My occupation. It's my job, right? Being a teacher, right? So first is what? Teacher. See the next picture is what? Who? See the patient. when you're felt sick, they will treat you. Who's that? Doctor, right? So, they catch the thieves. Can you tell me who's that? Police, right? Who catch the thieves, right? A person who gave letter, right? Who he will reach letters. Who's that? Postman, right? We post the letters and they will he'll collect from post office and he will give it to the families, right, to the correct address. Electrician, right? Electrician, the person, if there is any electric problem, like if the fan is not getting on or there's any issues with electric problem, the electrician who come and solve those problems. Driver, a lady driver, right? So here a driver who drive the vehicles. Dancer, or you can say dance teacher, who is teaching dance here, right? So here see the next picture, who is selling grains. Who's that? Shopkeeper. From grocery you all get one from the gross keeper. And see, right, you will get a grains from the shopkeeper, right? So now you want flour, where you will go? Yes, it's a flour mill. Now see the next picture. Who is helped to build the house? Mason, right? The person, we say Gaundi, right? So here when you want to get a cash, right, and you want to deposit or withdraw any bank, any money, so where you will go? You go to bank. So the person who is working in bank is called banker, right? So the person who the gold things, right? So he is gold smith, right? So what he called? Goldsmith. So here the teacher, doctor, police, postman, electrician, driver, dancer, shopkeeper, then in flour mill, mason, banker, goldsmith, right, singer, or the potter, vegetable vendor, tailor, fisherman, so weaver, blacksmith, farmer, florist, bamboo basket maker, or the what we say, wood carpenter. So these are the person who have, these are the occupations, right? So the person who does this, so it's a occupation, right? So they are earning from these occupation is what, that only we are learning, right? So here see the next one. Do you find them in your locality? Put marks for those who are found in your locality. Identify the person who are doing other than these occupation and write here, right? So the farmer, you can see the farmer, carpenter, teacher, doctor, postman, dancer, tailor, singer, florist, right? So here then driver, right? So these the person we can see all around us, right? So we can see the farmer, right? So carpenter, dancer, tailor, right? So we see all these in our locality. Okay, so you should tick them. Read this picture story, right? So Pug and so here they had given a small story about the elephant, okay? About the story that we learn what about this story of that little elephant, okay? So here pungent. So here pungent means what? The smell. The elephant is taking the smell. What smell? Thought, though I drink so much of water, it does not squinch pagency, right? So here he was so thirsty. Elephant was so thirsty. So here and he is getting the smell, right? So he is searching what the smell is, right? So here, brother, it is very pungent. Please give me some sweet. So here he is getting the smell of sweets. So he is telling, I want, give me some what? Sweet. To the sweet vendor he is asking, to the shopkeeper. Now the shopkeeper is telling, I don't have a table to keep the plate of sweets. If you bring a table, I'll give you sweet. So the shopkeeper is telling, I don't have any table to keep the plate. So if you give me what? If you are giving me what table to keep that plate, then I can give you sweet. So now he went to where? The carpenter, right? So where he should go to make that table? To the carpenter, right? So he went, the elephant who is going to the carpenter now. Please give me a table for the sweet seller. So he is asking the person to give me table. I don't have a saw to cut the wood. Saw means what? It's like to cut the wood. You may have seen it must be like this, right? So like this. Have you seen? Right? So he is asking, this is what we say saw, right? So he is asking what? Carpenter is telling, I can give you, I can make you, I can give you what? Table, but there is, I have wood, but there is no saw to cut the wood. So now he went to, please give me a saw to cut the wood. Where he will go? Who have iron, right? So he will go to the blacksmith, right? So here the blacksmith is telling, I don't have pot to keep water to make the heated iron cool. Go and bring pot. So to keep the iron, when they are burning iron, it will get melt, then only they will give shape, right? So here the blacksmith is telling to the elephant that I want water, but I don't have pot to keep the water. What should I do? So if you give me what? If you give me pot where I can keep water, then I'll give you saw. So he said, blacksmith said, and again the elephant went to the potter, right? So please give me pot, brother. So he's asking to the potter. It is not possible for me to temper the clay. Temper the clay means to make the perfect shape of pot. We have to temper, means we have to do like this, right? To clay means what? Mannu, right? So that we should make. Temper means it should come in all the in level, correct level, right? So what we have to do? We should temper the, just temper the clay. If you help me, then I can give you pot. So the elephant temper the clay. So means he tap all the mud, so that if it come into that level where he can make the pot, right? So then he temper the clay. Then after the potter make the pot, and he gave to the blacksmith, where he store the water in that. So after that he make saw. Then elephant took that saw to the woodcutter. So after woodcutter took from the saw, he cut the wood and make table for the elephant. And elephant took that table to the shopkeeper, where he making what? Sweet, right? So now Pungency has gone, right? So he said what? So he said, now there is. So after that, the sweet maker who gave what? Who gave sweets to the elephant. Now he is very hungry in that time. Now after eating all the laddus, all the sweet, he feel, now I am fine, right? So here the story is telling about what? How the occupation. Here we see a sweet maker, right? And the carpenter, goldsmith, and the potter, right? So here these are what? Occupations. Okay, so here answer the following question: which artisans did the elephant to go? Right? Elephant went to the sweet maker, carpenter, blacksmith, and the potter. Right? So what things did the elephant get? So the things, right? So when he went to the to get the sweet, he said to go to the carpenter. So carpenter made what? Table, right? So he got table, and from blacksmith he got saw, and from potter he get pot, right? So pot, saw, and table. So he got, the elephant get these things. How did the elephant help the potter, right? So when he go to the potter, what the potter said? You need to temper the clay, right? So elephant temper the clay, right? This is what elephant help the potter, right? Now see the next one. Know this: the person following one occupation depend on one person following other occupation, right? So observe these pictures, learn how your clothes have been made, right? So when we wear the ready-made clothes, right, before, what procedure is there? to get the clothes, right? So that only we are learning, right? The cotton, right? It is grown, right? From the farmer he grow what? Cotton, right? So from that they will clean it. There is a seeds in that, so after that they will clean that what from the farmer. He will get all the cotton and he will clean it, and after that they will from the we say chakra, right? So from that they will take the thread from nulu, we'll see, right? So we are getting the cotton thread from this, and that they will from the what? Waver, right? So they will attach all those cloth, right? So they will, after that they will give color, right? So for the every cloth they will color it, right? There is cotton is white, right? So the first it is white only, after that they will give color, right? So then it will go to the market, right? So it will go to the market where we get cloth, then after it will get stitched, then we wear cloth, right? So this is what the everybody has different occupation, different job here, right? But here they all depending on others, right? So here know this, even if we get ready-made garments from the garment shops, many people work to get them prepared, right? So for this there's a many other procedure, right? So we are getting the final product, right? Final cloth, but behind that see there is a cotton, from that they will get a what? A worm, right? So the threads, right? Then they will make cloth, then they will color it, and if it is needed then they will put prints on this, right? So you can see any flowers, right? So other colors they will print on that, then they will go to the market, then after we are buying those clothes, then we will go to the stitching things, right? So after that only we can wear it, right? So other than the elder, many children are engaged in many occupation. You have learnt in the previous classes about the problems faced by the working children, right? So we have seen, if you see in many other area, right? If you go to the hotels, right? The cleaner, they are very small, right? They don't go to the school. They will, because the conditions are like that, and the kid is also work. So we should avoid all those things, right? So we should not what we should not allow the kid work in that age, right? The kid should learn, right? In that age he should learn, he has to go to school, he should what the in train, right? In the station, in train station or the bus stand, or the what they will do, shoe polish. In hotel we can see them, in garments factories, right? So that should be avoided, right kids? So that the age where you should learn, should not do these things, right? The government have announced what? Stop labor, child labor, right? So in that age we should not allow the kids to work in any other occupation, right? In any other jobs. So this is what we know about this chapter, right? So do you know this, right? So here there are many artisans who prepare the articles from our daily needs to the preparation of decorative things of the house. Handicraft is also among these occupation. Handicraft means with made things which is by hand, by not using any machines, right? So we can see many things which are handmade, right? Karnataka is famous for carving on sandalwood among its handicrafts. So handicrafts means you have seen the doors, they have made beautiful carving, right? So it's the most famous art. It's what art from our Karnataka, right? Channapatna in Ramanagara district is famous for dolls and toys carved out of wood, right? So with the wood, so there are many other things, table, chair, right? So they will, in a Channapatna they will make wooden dolls also, right? So engaging the children below the age 14 in work is a punishable offense. It is a responsibility of all to make the children of this age to get compulsory education. As I said, it's government have announced that you should stop child laboring, right? So in that age, if anybody taking, right, so we are hiring any kids means what, it's a punishable. Okay, the government of Karnataka has established a residential school and rehabilitation centers in every district for the education and development of the working children aged between 6 to 14 years, right? So the government have provided many things for the for those who need work, right? So they need money, so for that they will send their kids to, right? So for that they can't afford what fees and all, but the government had given all the facilities like schools, food, cloth, books, right? They provide everything for those, right? So we need a basic education, right? So we see many occupation, right? So we see many things, right? So we see this board, right? So without the carpenter, right, who fits this, right? So who made all those, the table, the chairs, so we are sitting on chair means it's because of one person, right? So his occupation, right? So every occupation is important, right? So we depending on some occupation, right? So this is all about today's class, right? So what you have to do, you have to write the notes and the question answer. I'll provide you all the notes, okay? Till then you start reading these lessons, okay? Thank you for watching, kids. Have a great day.